Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use MessDotCity. For that, first you need to sign up. So go to sign up. I'll give my name. Sign up. Now I have to enter my OTP. Submit my OTP. Yes, my account is created. Sign in. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now let's go to profile and edit profile. Now as my profile is completed, let's create a mess name. If I go to members tab, I can see that I am added as a member automatically. Go to details. This is the details. This is my default mail schema. You can update it here. Okay, this is another profile who doesn't have any mess, so he want to be a member of my mess. So you should go here and type my mess name, which is simple mess, and my mess secret code, and send a request. Okay, the request is sent successfully. Now I am logged in as the admin, and in the member request tab I can see a request, and I have three options: existing, new, and delete. If I want to replace an existing member, I can click there and I have to select which member I have to replace. But I don't want to replace any member. I want him to add as a new member. Let's add as a new member. Okay, let's confirm it. Yes, now we have three members. Now let's add a session. And a session is created. Now let's add a daily expense. Currently there is no daily expense. Okay, now let's submit it, and here's you can see the dynamic meal rate and total meal 7. I can edit this anytime. I can even delete it. Okay, now this 350 taka, where is it's coming from? Let's imagine that Twin Khan paid this. I can see his history, deposit history. I can see it, date, and if I tap this is the details. Okay. You can see below total, add, withdraw, and my balance is now let's add a fixed expense. Now if I go to dashboard, let's see the summary. Here you can see, and if I tap here, I can see my details, my total meals, meal rate, meal expense, and other expense. Other expense is the fixed expense. For each member it's equal. And now there's another tab. If I swipe right or tap this button, I can see the today's meal schema: total breakfast 1, lunch 1, dinner 2. Now I am logged in as a member income, so let's go to dashboard. I can see all the stuff, they're the same, and I can even view all the meals of a specific member. Let's see, this is the meal of Tuhin, and this is the meal of Robin, and this is all the meals of another member, and in below you can see total breakfast, lunch, and dinner as well. So let's go to mess tab. You can see I don't have any add button, or I cannot edit these inputs, but what I can do as a member, I can change my default meal schema, which is currently 000, and update. So this is my meal schema now. Okay, now I am logged in as the admin, and if I go to members tab, I can see that Tuhin Khan has updated his default meal schema, and if I try to add another daily expense, and submit, so the meal rate is updated instantly. Now let's add this 400 as my deposit. Here you can see there's another option, assign dates. So I'll assign another member who will be responsible from November 2 to November 10 range. I can also set custom dates, but I'll go for range, and you can see from November 2 to November 10 is added. So any member can view this, but they cannot delete. They have no option to delete. Let's say I want to delete 7 November. Okay, it's deleted. Let's go back and let's create another session, and let's name it December 2021. Starts from December 1 and December 31. Yeah, now As we go to dashboard, summary, you can see everything is 0 because by default it's the latest session selected. So if I select the November 21 session, so you can see the previous data as well. And not only here, it's applied in expense as well. You can see no data found, but if I select November 21, it's there, as well as fixed expense, yeah, as well as deposits. There's no balance for any member. If I go to history, you can see no history found. If I select November 21, you can see the history. Now if I go to members tab, as admin I can set any member and make him a manager. So I will make him a manager and I'll log out and log in as Tohin Khan. And if I go to mass, daily mass, you can see now I have the ability to add daily expense or edit the previous ones, even delete. And I'll not delete. Now I'm logged in as admin. If I go to member, go to Tohin Khan, he is now a manager. If I want to remove managership, he will no longer be a manager. Say yes, and you can see he has been removed as a manager. So that's it. Thanks